Guess what? We don't have to worry about this. They said yes. She said yes. She wants you and she's taking you home right now. Let's go, sweetie. Let's go. You're adopted. Let's go. Here she is. You enjoy your new life, sweetie. What did I promise you? Did I promise you I'd get you a good home? You haven't, sweetie. You've been adopted. Let's go. You enjoy your new life, okay? Thank you so much. You have a great day. Enjoy. Is this for you? Are you going home? Let's go. Let's go. You're going home. You ready? Let's go. Come on. Come on.